How to change Facebook account to page. If you are looking to monetize your Facebook account and start generating some money, this is a pretty new update on how to get it done. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On your Facebook app, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile menu beside what is in your mind and tap on it. Then you need to scroll down until you locate this three dot beside C dashboard. This will drop you onto an interface like this. In order for you to convert your Facebook account to page, all you have to do is to navigate to the bottom and locate turn profile mode. In my case, it's already on, so if I have to tap on it again, it's gonna turn it off. If this is your first time to this page, you have to turn professional mode on, and that's it. You have successfully changed your Facebook account to page. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.